and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we could do a video of how to say happy birthday or how to wish someone a happy birthday. Now before we go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and let's get into it. Today is actually my birthday, so we're currently in the centre of town and I've just stopped to film this video to share with you. So the word birthday, your day of birth, is Là-breith, 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 and that is your day of birth. If you wanted to wish someone a happy birthday, you would say Là-breith sona, Là-breith sona, Là-breith sona, and that's how to say happy birthday. Now if you wanted to say happy birthday to you, it would be Là-breith sona dhut, Là-breith sona dhut, Là-breith sona dhut. And if you wanted to ask someone how old are you, you would say Daine shahau, Daine shahau, Daine shahau, and that is how to ask someone how old they are. And if you wanted to respond, you would say Hami, however old you are, an-diugh. So Hami trichitsakoik an-diugh. Hami, your age, an-diugh. Hami, an-diugh. And that is how to say I am this old today, for this many years today. Have you understood how old I said I was today? No, you didn't. And I hope that you have a lovely day, and I am away to enjoy the rest of my birthday.